Are you ready to ditch scheduling chaos and finally get your life organized? First up, let's dive into Fantastical. Notice how clean and intuitive the interface is. A standout feature is its natural language input. Simply type something like book appointment with John on Tuesday, 2 p.m. and Fantastical intelligently parses the information and creates the event. Fantastical boasts impressive integrations. It seamlessly connects with popular video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, making virtual meeting scheduling a breeze. You can also link it with your to-do list apps like Todoist and Reminders. Now, let's talk about pricing. Fantastical offers a free version with basic features, but to unlock its full potential, including advanced features and multiple account support, you'll need a premium subscription. Next, we have Notion Calendar. Notice how it's directly integrated within Notion. If you are already using Notion, this can really simplify your life. The real power of Notion Calendar lies in its seamless integration with Notion databases. You can directly link your projects, tasks, and meeting notes to your calendar events, creating a unified workspace. Imagine connecting your project timeline to your weekly schedule. And here's the kicker: Notion Calendar is currently completely free to use, offering a comprehensive set of features without any subscription fees. So, which one is right for you? If you need a polished and feature-rich standalone calendar app and don't mind paying for premium features, Fantastical is a solid choice. But if you're already heavily invested in the Notion ecosystem and are looking for a free and integrated solution, Notion Calendar might just be your productivity match. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.